If you've ever wanted visitors to contact you directly from your Squarespace website without needing to copy and paste your email, this tutorial is for you. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to link an email address in Squarespace step by step. It's simple, practical, and something every site owner should know in 2025. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the main Squarespace website, click Login, and choose your preferred method, either by email or the Continue with Google option. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your sites. Select the one you want to edit, and you'll land on your main dashboard. Next, click Edit at the top of your screen. This opens up your website editor where all the fun customization happens. Now, find the text or button you'd like to turn into an email link. Maybe it's a line that says, "Contact me," "Get in touch," or something similar. Click directly on that text and you'll see a pencil icon appear. Go ahead and click it to open your text editing options. In the toolbar that appears, look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click on it, and instead of entering a website URL, you're going to type this: mail to your email at domain.com. Make sure there are no spaces and replace your email at domain.com with your actual address. This special mail to command tells browsers to open your visitor's default email app with your address already filled in. It's a simple trick, but incredibly effective. It turns your text or button into a direct line of communication. Once you've entered your email, save your changes. Then, preview your site and click the link to test it. You should see your email client open instantly, ready to send a message. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional email link in Squarespace. You can add these links anywhere, on your contact page, in your bio, or even inside call to action sections to make it easier for people to reach out. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how professional and user-friendly your website feels. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.